Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today, I'm going to be making for you a spicy sausage tortellini. And I have footage recording me putting the pasta in a pot, but it's gone. I don't know what happened. I must have not pressed play on the camera or threw it away by accident, but it's gone. But anyways, I just brought my pot to a boil, added some salt, added my pasta, and I let it boil as per the instructions on the bag, which was about 6 to 8 minutes, I believe, and then I drained it. And you got your finished product. So then I set that aside, and then in the same pot, I put in 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and I let that heat up, and then I added in a tablespoon of butter or margarine, whichever one you want to use. And then I just let all of that heat up and I combined them together. For the oil and the butter, I have the heat on at about medium heat. Then I went in with my crushed garlic. It's already minced, and honestly, it makes my life so much more easier in this little jar. You can get it from Walmart. But anyways, I just put in about 1 tablespoon of that, and I just quickly sauteed it in the olive oil and the butter, literally only for a couple of seconds. And then I went in with my sausage, and I used a spicy Italian sausage for this dish, but if you don't like that, go ahead, use mild, use bratwurst, use whatever you feel like. And then I just added that straight into my pan, and then I just stirred it and mixed it until the sausage was completely cooked through and started to get a little bit of caramelization on the outside. At times I would take out 1 piece, cut it in half, see if it's cooked through. If not, let it go a little longer, but yeah, just keep watching it to make sure it's cooked through. And then I went in with 1 can of crushed tomatoes, and honestly this will be more than enough. And then I went in with my pesto, which I used 3 tablespoons. I basically used the pesto in place of using other seasonings, because I feel like it just gave it a really nice flavor using pesto instead. So I just went ahead and mixed all of that together. Make sure you give it a good stir, get all those flavors throughout your sauce. And then after that, I'm going to go in and I'm going to season it even further. I'm just going to go in with some pepper, and I'm just do pepper to taste. Whatever your preference is, that's what you should do. And then I did the same thing with salt, also to taste. And then sprinkle that all in there. And then I went in with chili flakes, and I went in with about a teaspoon for mine, but if you like it extra spicy, go ahead and add as much as you want. After you're adding all of those spices, go ahead and give it one final mix, and then we're just going to cover that pot with the lid, and we're going to let that simmer for about 15 minutes. If you have more time, go ahead and let it simmer longer. It'll just help the flavors in your sauce to develop more, but I just want 15 minutes because I want to show a quicker meal. And then I'm just going to add the tortellini in there, and then I'm just going to combine everything together. At this point, you can have your heat on low, or you can turn it off because the pasta sauce is already hot. Your tortellini is already hot, so you don't need any further heat for the rest of it. Just go right ahead and mix it all together. And then I'm going to go in with some grated cheese. I have a blend of Parmesan, Romano, and Asiago, but if you just want to use Parmesan, whatever you have on hand, go ahead. Any kind of cheese you have, really, as long as you grate it, you can add it in there. I gave it one final mix, and that completes our pasta, and that's what it should look like. We're just gonna put it in the bowl now. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching this recipe for spicy sausage tortellini. I'm just garnishing it off with some more of that cheese. And yeah, if you guys have any other cooking videos you want to see, let me know in the comments below. Make sure to like up this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys all next time. Bye!